What's up, Clutch Media? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna be fixing up the Lincoln. We're gonna be doing some crazy stuff with pillows.
What do you mean pillows? Are we going to sleep or something?
Theo likes pillows. I like pillows, so we're gonna buy a lot of pillows.
Okay. Lucas, where are we headed?
I don't know, where are we going?
You tell me, you're the one driving.
I'm just going where I'm told. We are currently going to Walmart.
Walmart!
We're gonna buy all of the pillows. The cheap pillows. No.
Susie, how do you feel about all the pillows?
Expensive pillows.
It's gonna be a lot of pillows.
Why?
Because we got.
We are gonna surround the Lincoln.
My daddy doesn't know yet, but I stole his credit card and we're gonna be using it.
We are gonna surround the Lincoln in pillows and the inside because we don't have airbags anymore, and we're gonna send it 100 feet over the pond in the air off a jump with pillows to protect me. I hope we don't flip because I will decapitate myself.
Like and subscribe if you want to see him flip and never come back.
Guys, my bed isn't comfortable enough. I need more pillows.
Sir, right now.
No, you can't push him up here.
Oh yeah, now if we crash, I'm good.
Where's Yanni? There he is.
I'm not even put my seatbelt on. I have to say.
You don't need them. That's why we have these. If you guys haven't been following up, we totally cut the roof off of our Lincoln Town Car. And we have to jump it over the pond today, so the only problem is we don't have airbags, so now we do.
Hey guys, I made it out.
Yanni, stop. Yanni, these work the same as airbags, right?
Stop. Stop it right now.
Oh my god, there's snow.
No, Yanni, stay in your cave.
Holy moly.
Oh, this is so comfortable.
Why are we doing this?
Yanni, just go to sleep.
Whose idea was this?
It was your idea.
I don't think it was mine.
It was your idea.
Lucas, I think Yanni fell
Oh
out.
no, he did. You gotta lure him with words. Yo, Yanni, Shuja's here. Shuja, it's Shuja. Yo, the fish is about to smack your face. Judy Hops.
Oh, where? Oh, Judy Hops? Where?
We're back at the compound.
Oh.
Time. Hey, don't hug at me, man. Hey, get out and get that fish. We're taking it inside. Get the fish.
It's right there.
I'll get it.
Oh, me. Stop filming.
I'm a big Spanish mackerel. Save this thing for later. Hey!
I know, breathe.
I'll help you out. I drag you.
Oh.
Oh my god, you're gonna fall. Here, I'll carry that. Don't worry. Keep going, you're almost there.
Oh,
I got you.
I think I'm paralyzed.
Hey, I found your shoe.
I can't walk. I can't walk.
I don't even know how to look at this.
Yeah, the ways you bend mesmerize me.
Okay, conveyor belt time. Ready? Oh my god. Alright, get the shotgun. How are we gonna get this out?
That is one in a million. Oh my god. Wait, I got just the thing for this guy.
How are we actually gonna get it down?
How did you get it up there?
Yo, I'm actually a professional thrower. Put me in that little thing where you throw the ball over something. Ooh.
Okay, I go now.
Wait.
My turn. Ooh, money.
You got nothing.
Oh, it landed.
Oh, it landed. He's gonna get your
Yo,
shoe
my feet
back.
are cold, dude.
Put Lucas's big boots on.
Don't worry, Susie's cat is not in.
No! Not the cat box! No. me get a try.
Are you qualified?
No.
I don't think he is either.
Clearly not. What if there's no fuel in there?
What?
Can it take gas?
No, it's electric. So it wouldn't need gas.
We don't do no electric round these cars. Shuja. Behind the back, Shuja. Behind the back, Shuja. Seal on the fella. Oh! Seal on underhand skibbity throw. Joe Schmo. Over the door. Hey! That's not helping.
Stop going!
Couple more. Dude, these things are destroyed already. I knew this was a bad idea. My mom told me. I was like, Mom, such a waste of money. She was like, oh, just donate them to the homeless shelter after. I don't think we can do that anymore. Help me! Okay!
It's so
Almost dust in
dusty.
here, I can't breathe. Hey!
What you got there?
I got a jump pack.
Why?
Cause we're about to take the Lincoln out of the woods.
Yep. Thanks to Yanni, who is where's he at right now?
Skiing.
Yeah. He skipped filming. It's been a week since the Lincoln was pushed into the woods by this guy and Yanni.
It wasn't me, I swear.
Uh-huh. And now we are gonna go try and pull it out and turn it into the ultimate Lincoln Town Car camper.
Stay tuned.
Susie, what are we gonna call this thing? The Lincoln Town Camper?
The Lamper.
The Lamper.
Lincoln Camper.
I don't know about Lamper. I like Lincoln Town Camper. Sounds like it's factory like that, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, well. This thing is disgusting. Alright. Alright, jump pack's hooked up. Let's see if she starts. I highly doubt it. Man the wheel while I pull her out. Let's see if it works. Oof. Oh boy. Strap might have went through the metal. How did it not hold? Oh! There's the strap. And there's the other half. Alright, attempt number 2. Please don't break. It actually worked. Wow, I'm very surprised that that didn't break. What time is it, Susie?
It's time to build a double-decker.
First things first, this thing runs horribly. And it's because we have a little tear in our fuel line down there. So I'm thinking, once it's dried up, throw duct tape over it and then some JB Weld, which you guys know we're really good at using. And then hopefully that solves our problem. We'll see. Maybe the fuel pump is gunked up, but for now we're just gonna build it and have fun.
Now we're gonna go get some supplies.
In the Chevy. run her over.
Get ready.
Seatbelt.
Ew! It has juice! What is this thing?
What are you talking about? It's our dinner.
What?
It's our dinner.
Looks like a massive sardine.
No, it's a Spanish mackerel. Top of the line. It's better than like bluefin tuna.
More like Spanish macaroni. Something's gonna break.
Oh wait, where's the 2 feet? Oh, there it is. Looks about right. Then we take our straight edge. If I can remember how to use it.
You go like this.
Heck.
Then you go like that.
Ah. That's about 2 feet if I ever seen it.
Wait.
And then you take your saw and you just get to cutting. All right. 3 more.
Guess who just pulled in? Guess who just pulled in?
What?
Guess who just pulled in?
Firefighter?
Yep.
Where is he?
Back there.
It's all his fault that the stupid thing is not working because somebody decided it'd be a good idea to JB weld on top of the fuel tank, which clogs it all up. Wow, surprisingly sturdy.
It's a little bit wobbly.
Well, it's because it's pulling this apart.
Oh.
Next side. Oh. Whoop. Okay. Oh, should be good. Yo, what are you doing?
Yo, what's up?
Are you ready to see the Lincoln Town Camper
I'm ready.
for the first time?
I don't believe it exists.
It does.
I don't believe it.
Are you ready?
I don't believe it.
Let's go hop in the Clutch Media Whip and check it out. It's actually pretty extravagant. I think you're gonna be impressed with what we've done while you were gone.
Same old Lincoln. There's nothing.
Yanni, didn't you break like all 108 ribs yesterday skiing?
Well, that's what the school things.
Oh.
What?
What is that?
That's the camper, bro.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Look at this beauty. It's standing after a whole day.
My disabled grandma could build something better in a day.
What do we think? It's pretty good.
Terrible.
It's pretty good, huh?
If I touch it, it's gonna fall over.
Dude, I promise you, it's sturdy. And 6 foot tall ceilings. Of course, you know, since I'm all nonchalant, I'm like touching it already. Yeah. Like, yo. You don't lean on it, fool. It's not built yet. It'll fall. Stop touching that. You want to fight? All right. You're gonna make it fall. Get off.
Maybach
Stop.
music.
All right. Let's see if the Lincoln starts first off.
Let's see if these 6 foot tall ceilings.
Michael
Theo,
Phelps.
get off. Wow.
Whoa. I don't know, roof leak.
Who is Michael Phelps?
The guy who jumps really high.
Say it again.
Ladies, one at a time, one at a time.
All right, guys. Since the Lincoln has been sitting here for a while, we're gonna see if it starts.
It ain't gonna start.
Turn the blink.
Oh my gosh.
Emo.
All right, here we go.
Oh, life sucks.
Let's do this. Should we keep this tail on the Lincoln?
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. What did you say you want me to cut again?
Step forward.
Right here.
This right here?
Make- No, no,
Oh,
not
okay.
that there.
Why?
Because we need to make a tail. Look, look. From our last incident, when Lucas jumped the Lincoln with the tail, we've had this problem of a hole. And I say we need to fill it in. So we're going to give it a tail.
It's a
Improve.
stupid creation. We make stairs.
Ow!
Lincoln Town tail.
Look, stairs.
I'm the
No.
leader here.
That's not the good idea.
How's the weather up there?
I said Frio.
I say Frio.
It's warm.
Is that French?
Lucas. Lucas. How'd you go up with this design last night?
Well, so you see, back in like first grade, I had a big chalkboard. And I had a vision. Lincoln Town Camper. No kidding. First grade. And now, it's you've seen it. It's coming home. Do you think it's a stupid design or something?
No, I was just wondering.
Uh-huh. Well, now I'm building the stairs, and Johnny is building the support system. Whatever. I don't think we need that, but you know, he wants to be safe.
It's like a sailboat.
Sailboat.
Yeah, whenever you go
It's like a Sigma
one way.
boat.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Oh!
Hey, 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 hey!
This house is built on hopes and dreams.
He broke the Lincoln.
Johnny, go stand up on there. Stand on the wood.
Magician! Magician! Okay!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That's why.
Come on.
There we go.
Perfect.
You're good.
I can weather the storm. Can you?
What? Guys, what's gonna happen with this when it rains this week?
It's what we're building it for.
This is our only source of shelter. We have to sleep here tonight.
Yeah, we better hurry up.
You've sawdust all over your
It's
face.
getting cold.
You've sawdust all over your face.
You missed!
Missed. Where is it?
Do that right.
What?
Guys, this kind of looks like a...
Shut up. This is hard work and it's freezing. Okay? You're not even helping.
I am.
Get to work, boy.
My neck's red.
Ugh!
It's good. It's out. It's out. I don't think
I
it's
got
out.
it, I got it, I got it.
Oh, okay.
Camping trip. What you doing? Okay. Nice.
sweat. But our one of one Lincoln Town car, Lincoln Town camper, is complete. We have some pillows under there for some cushioning support on the inside, which is soaking wet. Nice. Anyways, we have our lantern, 6 foot high ceilings, all totally custom made. It's squatting a little bit, a lot of weight up there. But yeah, it's complete and it's amazing. If you guys want to see us survive a whole 24 hours in this thing, possibly on our frozen pond, if it gets a little bit colder here, we're going to do it, and it's going to be epic. So stay tuned for that, and until next time.